How to get a motorcycle license in UK. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get a motorcycle license in UK. So for that case, you have to visit this link, that is bikeshore.co.uk/bikeshoreblog. That's gonna take you to the information section where you can see all of the information regarding motorcycle license associated with United Kingdom. Now, if you want to take a two-stage particular bike in theory test, you can change your license to AM, meaning you are no longer required to have L pass. You're no longer to have a L plate, and you can carry a passenger. Likewise, from 17, completing your CBT means you can ride a 125cc motor with the L plate, but you cannot carry a passenger or ride. Now you can get a license at 19. You can apply for a license once you've had a valid CBT given to you, freedom of riding any bike without power to weight ratio not exceeding 0.2 kilowatt to kg. Likewise, progressively access applies to those who are 21 and have held an A license for 2 years, or you are 24 and have a category A license. Now, A license allows you to ride motorcycle or scooters of any power with or without a sidecar, and a passenger with an A license you can ride motorcycle with a power output in an excess of 1200 kilowatts. So you could go to this portal and you could read all of these information. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.